Looks like it's time for the annual system test. There we go. Press the test button on it. Still got an alarm, the sounders are all silenced. Now let's reset the system. Okay. Do it one more time. And reset again. In a minute it'll come back up. Yeah. Heard that little chirp out there. It's because it cut power to the smoke detectors. Yeah, it's all normal right now. Alright, system check passed. Check on that detector. It's probably doing fine. Yeah, it's doing the power up. It'll be normal in a second. Or 20. Yeah, it'll do that 3 times. There we go. System check passed.